guys. I just got home from work. Sorry you can hear my dishwasher running in the background. I will have showed you my breakfast in the next clip, but I have to make it again tonight for overnight. So I'll show you the recipe and how I make it. They are delicious and have been my go-to breakfast for the past couple weeks now, honestly. There's like 30 grams of protein in the overnight oats. And I always start my day with a hot vanilla oat latte. And today I just needed a little pick-me-up now that I'm home. It's 2:30 now, and I'm having another coffee. Usually I don't have 2 coffees a day, but sometimes I do, just whatever I'm really feeling. Coffee's like the one thing that I'll give myself. Like, you can have as many or as, not, it's never as little, but you can have as many as you like. Anyways, so I had those oats this morning. I'll put all like the macros and stuff on the screen so you can see. And then I'm gonna make lunch now. I honestly might do a little snack plate because that's what I'm feeling. I just got a bunch of groceries in that I just put away, and I was looking at everything and feeling peckish. So I think I just want like a arrangement of snacks. So I'm gonna put together something like that, kind of focus on the protein a little bit more because I'm trying to get 30 grams of protein every meal. And then I will show you what I have. But yeah, I'm gonna put that together now. Just made my snack plate. I had to kind of like not rush, but I was sitting and drinking my coffee, and then I got an email that I got an audition. So I was like, okay, I need to eat quickly and then do my audition setup. The audition's due tomorrow morning, but I'm gonna have no time tomorrow morning, so it's like I should just get it done now. Luckily there's no dialogue in it. It's just basically improv. It's for a commercial, so there's usually not a ton of dialogue. It's just you doing something. So I'm gonna get everything set up and then I'm gonna film it, but first I need to eat, otherwise I will be starving. But yeah, 2 baby bells, some deli vegan turkey meat. Usually I eat turkey and chicken, but this stuff's just like really easy. And then radishes and cucumbers with a little bit of salt. Super easy, feeling snacky, so it's perfect. Hi, I'm Alana McIntosh. I'm 5'6" and I have a valid BC driver's license. Focus. Okay, I just finished editing my self-tape. It was kind of awkward, to be honest with you, but it's hard when there's like literally no lines and it's just like improving and like doing a movement. But now I'm going to sit and eat a little bit of dinner. That's what the point of this was. I just had like leftover mac and cheese and then this like meatball. I already ate one of them. Nothing too crazy. I might eat something a little bit later, but I'm not super hungry right now. But I just thought I would nibble while I'm watching my show. But yeah, I'll update you if I eat anything else, which I probably will. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I wanted to quickly jump in. It's the night, but I wanted to show you how I make my overnight oats. They're so good, so easy, and there's like 30 grams of protein in them. I'm also making a sleepy time vanilla tea right now, and I had a slice of ice cream cake from Dairy Queen, which was certainly not in my meal plan today, but it was my birthday last week and I had some leftovers and that was the last slice. So I've eaten it. I don't feel bad about it. It is what it is. So first things first, I do a 1/3 cup of oats. I just dropped one on the floor. Oops. And then I do the serving size of this Orgain chocolate protein powder. And I'm using just like a big jar on a scale because I find the scale is a little bit more accurate than the measuring utensils. I hate when you get a new thing of protein powder and you have to like dig for the little measuring thing. But anyways, serving size is 2 scoops, but it's also just 46 grams. I know that, so just measure out that amount. Okay, that is 46 grams. Just give it a little mixy so the protein powder and the oats get all mixed before adding liquid, so it like not blends, but like mixes better overnight. And then I take this Silk Almond Cashew protein milk and I do cup and a half or 12 ounces. No, I guess I don't do a cup and a half. I do 1 cup, it's 8 ounces. I had to think about that for a minute. Awesome, 8 ounces. And then I do a serving of raspberries. And I usually get, at this point, let's get a chopstick and it's like, just mix it up a bit. Just to get all the protein powder mixed in so it doesn't get like, you know, doesn't leave it dry. Pretty liquidy at this point, but it firms up overnight. Obviously, because the oats like absorb everything. And that is the last of my raspberries. And that's what it looks like. It's delicious. Highly recommend trying it. And really easy to make and grab and go in the morning. Okay, it's like 9 o'clock. I'm gonna take my tea and I'm gonna get into bed and read. I'm reading The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. So far so good. I'm really enjoying it. And I've been on like a serious reading and Audible kick. Let me know if you want a video about all my favorite reads this year so far. I read so many books and I'll totally make that because I'm in a book club and I feel like I have so many book recommendations that I want to talk about, and also would love to hear any of your guys' recommendations. Let me know in the comments. But I'm gonna end this video now. Thanks so much for watching. If you've made it this far, make sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already, comment down below what else you want to see, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!